Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's been a minute since I recorded anything, so I'm back again, I guess you could say, showing a video on a track that I was working with, and I used a sample from a group called Singers Unlimited, and so I'm gonna play the sample. All right, that's the original pitch.
Emily has the murmuring sound of May. All silver bells, coral shells.
So I just used just the parts that I wanted, and sliced them. And with this, I didn't use the automatic chop or anything. I kind of did it old school, how you would do, say, if you were using an MPC or something like that. I just made a sample. Found the part I wanted, and then just copied it over to the next pad and adjusted it. That was it. So I got this part. So I had those parts, and it's a matter of figuring out, what I want to do with it. Or whatever. So next I went and got a drum kit, stock kit that came with a machine. So then I just simple, boom bap. Something like that. And so, grab the bass sound, turn the mute off. You got the idea. So I'm gonna play the idea that I came up with. Yeah, Also I used just to hear with some words. I grab this from DOC.
This is the listen to, so act's not a question, not to be taken as a simple suggestion, but a warning. To whom it may concern, if knowledge is a key, then I think it's time you learn. So there is not the problem. So leaders are...
Alright, so play it back.
This is the listen to, so this is the listen to, so act's not a question, not to be taken as a simple suggestion. This is the listen to, so... This is the listen to, so act's not a question, not to be taken as a simple suggestion. This is the listen to, so act's not a question. This is the listen to, so act's not a question, not to be taken as a simple suggestion, but a warning. To whom it may concern, if knowledge is the key, then I think it's time you learn. though there is not the problem. So leaders are acknowledged, I don't follow them, I turn it to another degree. If I'm the D.O. to the C and growing like a tree and causing much destruction, because I'm crushing, complimenting much, yeah, but never blushing hard like a criminal. And I'm subliminal, in my own right, it's dope, cause I'm original, funky, unmistakably so. When the vocals are done, then you know it's all a matter of setting a date for America's most complete artist. But wait, make sure you keep the facts in mind. Don't mess with the great, cause the dagger like a 9 with a voice telling you the fullest direction. I'm talking murder, but that's another section I need to explain while keeping my composure. There's no jerking a sucker when he knows you're nothing but a villain, and that you'll kill him, so he's in fear. But ain't no need in spilling your guts to a nut. No, I am not your equal, meaning your equivalent. I'm more like heaven sent. I got it together so clever no one can sever. Remember this forever.
No one can do it better.
But that's all I came in with so far. Just kind of messing around. So I just want to say what's up to everybody, and until the next video. Peace out.